Underneath the azure skies, we're dancing where the sunshine lies. Laughter echoes in the golden air.
Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI singer. And the best part is, it supports lip syncing and voice cloning. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Create AI music. Once you open Edimakor, head over to the audio section and choose Song under AI Music. There are two ways to create your music. The first method is simply describing your song with text and adding a few elements you want. The second method is more precise. You can upload a reference track or a short audio recording of your own, and Edimakor will generate a brand new song based on its style and tone. Please note that both methods can automatically generate lyrics, so you don't need to write them manually, unless you want to use your own original lyrics. Once everything is set, click Generate, and you'll get a unique song.
Underneath the azure skies, we're dancing where the sunshine lies.
If you're happy with the result, click Export to save it to your computer. Step 3. Create AI Singer. Next, generate an AI Singer image. Click Singing Photo under AI Avatar. Here, you can choose between two models, Omni Human 1.0 and Singing Avatar 1.0. I recommend starting with Omni Human 1.0 because it offers movie-level performance effects and generates results much faster. Now upload the song you just generated. Please note that you can only use a maximum of 28 seconds at a time, but you can repeat this step to create the full performance. You'll find a huge variety of avatar appearances: 3D cartoon, anime, folk music, animal, baby, hip-hop, rock and roll, and more. If none of them match what you want, you can import your own image or click AI Generate to jump to the character generation window and create your own unique look. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and you'll get a fully lip-synced AI singer.
Underneath the azure skies, we're dancing where the sunshine lies.
And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.